if I told you that there's a bridge in China that's not just a bridge, but a true marvel of engineering? Imagine driving across an enormous structure suspended over the sea, only to plunge into an underwater tunnel midway through your journey. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real, and it's called the Shenzhen-Zhongshan Bridge. More than just a connection between two cities, this project stands as a testament to China's technological prowess and ambition. But what makes it so special, and why is it such a significant part of China's infrastructure development? Let's explore. Opened in June 2024, the Shenzhen-Zhongshan Bridge isn't your typical infrastructure project. Spanning a remarkable 24 kilometers, this megastructure connects the rapidly growing cities of Shenzhen and Zhongshan in Guangdong province. For those unfamiliar with this region, this connection might not sound like a big deal, but for people living in China's Greater Bay Area, a bustling economic zone that includes cities like Hong Kong, Macau, Guangzhou, and Shenzhen, this bridge is a game changer. For years, traveling between Shenzhen and Zhongshan required a detour that could take up to 2 hours. But with the completion of the bridge, that travel time has been cut down to less than 30 minutes. Imagine what that means for businesses, commuters, and tourists alike. An entire region suddenly becomes more accessible, fostering greater economic integration and development. Yet, cutting down on commute time is just the beginning of the Shenzhen-Zhongshan Bridge's impact. The structure itself is an engineering masterpiece. It's not just a single bridge, but a combination of two main bridges, a tunnel that runs under the sea, and two artificial islands that link everything together. You could say it's part road, part tunnel, and part island. But how did they manage to pull off such a complicated project? Construction began in December 2016, and over the next 7.5 years, thousands of engineers and workers labored to bring the bridge to life. With a price tag of roughly $7 billion, this was no small undertaking. In fact, it's one of the most ambitious infrastructure projects in China's history. Among the highlights is the 5-kilometer-long underwater tunnel, which is one of the longest and most complex of its kind. To build the tunnel, engineers relied on an innovative approach. They used 32 prefabricated sections, each weighing a staggering 80,000 tons, and transported them to the site where they were assembled under the sea. These massive tunnel sections were built off-site to reduce environmental impact and ensure the highest standards of precision during construction. In fact, the ship used to transport and install these sections was specially built for this project, becoming the largest of its kind in the world. What sets the Shenzhen-Zhongshan Bridge apart isn't just its size or complexity, but the sheer number of records it has broken. The bridge holds 10 world records, each highlighting a different aspect of its engineering marvel. For example, it boasts the largest span of all offshore suspension bridges, with its longest section stretching over 1,600 meters. Driving across this bridge is an experience unlike any other. One moment you're cruising along a towering structure suspended over the sea, and the next you're descending into a tunnel that takes you deep below the water's surface. It's hard not to be awestruck by the scale and complexity of the project, especially when you consider the challenges involved in building such a massive structure in a harsh marine environment. But the Shenzhen-Zhongshan Bridge is about more than just economic returns. It represents China's forward-thinking approach to infrastructure and its willingness to push the boundaries of what's possible. In many ways, the bridge is a symbol of the country's ambitions to lead the world in technological innovation and urban development. As I cruised across the bridge, with the wind whipping past and the drone capturing stunning footage from above, I couldn't help but feel a sense of awe. The Shenzhen-Zhongshan Bridge isn't just a connection between two cities. It's a bold statement about the future of infrastructure and what's possible when human ingenuity meets ambition. Thanks for watching, and until next time.